This is an experiment. Mostly. So, what do we know that's bomb-proof? Mozzarella blend, bomb-proof. Classico pizza sauce. You don't even have to doctor it up. That's really good. Almost anything that's mole negro. That's actually really good. That's like my second favorite now. And I'm thinking, what else can we do? I'm experimenting for the channel. That's what I was thinking. This I was just joking about. Panda Express orange sauce. Joke. Barbecue sauce, no, I wouldn't like that. That tastes just no good. Okay. Here it is. Buffalo Wild Wings. Parmesan garlic. It keeps the pizza Italian. Some other time I'm going to try this. I'm going to do some Asian zing or some Mandarin sauce instead of the tomato sauce. I've got an interesting feeling about that. Let's give it a try. Not real hungry. So we use one of the regular sizes. See that video right before this? I caught a bubble trouble live on video. You should go back and see it. Well, you know, sometimes I got that ghetto mentality from when I was poor. And I'm just trying to milk every last gram of the juice out. All I needed was a few more drops of it. This might be overbearing. This might be overbearing. I think that's looking good. The cheese. Oh, what kind of topping? What kind of topping? Have room for one more? Sure, why not? For everything to room temperature, since this was a spur of the moment thing. Here, sizzle. Oh, check this out. Siri, give me a 8-minute timer.
8 minutes, counting down.
I don't know what's going on, but it seems like I should have got a, I don't know. Gotta figure out how to work the watch. But yeah, that's ready. Oh, here it goes, it just went off. Something's vibrating. So, needed less than 8 minutes, or 8 minutes would have been fine. It could go a little bit longer, but that's done. Typical crust, typical bottom. I'm nervous about the garlic parm, but I do like it on wings sometimes as an alternative. Wow. Not what I was expecting. It's actually really, really good. Two reallys. I'm really, really surprised. Crust. Look at that. Looks like a cracker. Thin and crispy. Refresh my memory, huh? I mean your memory. Buffalo Wild Wings. Parmesan garlic. Go make your own. See you.